is important. Something as simple as paintless dent repair, because here's reality. I'm going to guess, based on my extensive knowledge of the market here in Athens, that about 1,112 people are going to get a ding or a dent today.
Right.
What are they going to do about it?
Get pissed off, call their body shop, get an appointment 6 months from now.
No, stop. Stop with what you said first.
Get pissed
Get
off.
pissed off. Nobody gets these things fixed.
Right, that's true, yeah.
You appraise vehicles.
Yeah.
How many vehicles do you appraise that don't have dings and dents?
Almost none.
Exactly. I get a ding or a dent, I'm mad. Okay, but that's before I bought these policies. Because nobody ever leaves a blank check going, sorry, here, get it fixed, right? Nobody
They wipe it
Googles.
off with their finger and leave.
Nobody Googles nearest paintless dent repair place near me.
Nope.
All right, they just get mad and let it go. Okay? Do they end up paying for that?
Yes.
When do they end up paying for
When they
it,
come and
Matt?
trade it in. And I'm out there putting my finger on it going, oh.
Right. Look, if Trey and I trade our vehicles in today, Trey had paintless dent repair. Trey's doesn't have any dings and dents. Both vehicles are 5 years old. Everything else is equal, and I've got like 11 dings or dents. Whose car's worth more, mine or Trey's? Trey's is worth more. Okay, so the customer's going to pay for these things. However, they don't know that. Customers aren't particularly good at buying cars and trucks. All right, they only do it 8 times in their lifetime. Think about that. They only buy a car or a truck, new or used. Your average consumer, 8 times in a lifetime. So when somebody wakes up in your market this morning and they decide they're in the market for a new or used vehicle, where do they go? Online. Okay? And they study up. By the way, is there some bad information online?
Tons.
Tons of it. Do people misinterpret information online?
Yeah, amen.
So they come in here loaded for bear. Okay? They're going to outsell you. Unfortunately, it happens too often. They don't know what they're doing. So they don't get dings and dents fixed. So if they don't get dings and dents fixed, and I turn to Shannon and I say, hey Shannon, we're going to give you a paintless dent repair policy. What's that mean to him?
They don't care. They don't have.
Doesn't mean
zero
anything to
value,
him.
right.
Zero value. All right? So we've got to tell a good story. So the story might sound something like this. Ian, when you buy one of our Motor Trend certified vehicles, and it's a European vehicle, we're going to provide you 6 months of paintless dent repair. Now, let me explain what the value is to you. Have you ever had somebody rudely ding or dent your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Shopping cart, somebody opening the door into it?
Yes, sir.
How do you feel when that happens?
Pissed off.
Right. Did you even look into what it would cost to get them fixed?
No, sir.
Nobody ever does. The small ones at a retail paintless dent repair shop will be 60 or 70 bucks. Some of the bigger ones up to 4 inches might be $150. So if you get 6 or 7 of them, that's a lot of money, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But you've never paid to have them fixed, so it's never cost you a penny, has it?
No, sir.
Well, Ian, it has cost you, okay? Because even though you didn't pay to get them fixed, when you sold your vehicle or traded it in, doesn't matter, whoever's buying that vehicle is going to deduct from the value of that vehicle for every ding or dent you have. So here's what we're going to do for you. We're going to keep your Volkswagen looking better longer. Okay, that's nice.
Yes, sir.
It's not going to cost you a penny. That's nice. But we've also got the ability to increase the value of your trade, or when you sell it, when you get rid of it. Now, we'll give it to you complimentary for 6 months, unlimited miles, but make sure you check with my man Alex. He'll show you how to stretch this coverage out to 4, 5, 6, even 7 years. Okay?
Yes, sir.
It will pay for itself many times over. That's how you tell the paintless dent repair story.